Suntech is the world's largest manufacturer of crystalline silicon cells and modules. Here in our facility in Wuxi, we do both the solar cell manufacturing and also module fabrication. This film is to give you an overview and introduction to both our solar cell and module fabrication facilities.
Suntech's commitment to excellence starts with its employees. We provide a safe and healthy work environment for our entire staff. Cell production begins with Suntech's patented texturing process. An etching solution forms pyramid-like structures on the surface of the monocrystalline silicon wafer, reducing reflectivity from over 30% to around 11%. Next, the wafers are cleaned thoroughly and placed in a diffusion furnace. Phosphorus source is fed into the furnace via a carrier gas. The generated phosphorus diffusing into the wafer surface at a high temperature, forming a PN junction. Next, unwanted phosphorus diffusion is chemically removed from the edges and rear surface in another patented process. This unique process ensures the solar cells have excellent shunt resistances and higher efficiencies under low-light illumination. In the plasma-enhanced chemical vapor deposition area, the wafers are placed in a furnace and coated with a silicon nitride anti-reflective coating. This coating further reduces reflectivity to 6%, which, combined with the texturing process, reduces the overall surface reflection to around 1% at special spectral range. Next, aluminum paste is applied to the wafer's rear surface, further enhancing cell efficiency, while silver paste is screen printed onto the wafer's front and rear surface, and then co-fired to act as the cell negative and positive metal electrode. The cells then undergo rigorous testing and sorting using a solar simulator. Quality control is performed at every step of the production process, from receiving the incoming wafers to packaging. The completed cells are sent to our solar module facility to be assembled. First, solar cells with the same characteristics are soldered in series. The interconnected cells are placed in a sandwich structure comprising a front sheet of tempered low iron glass, a layer of EVA, the solar cells, another layer of EVA, and a back sheet. This sandwich structure is laminated to protect the solar cell from moisture and mechanical shock. The laminated cells undergo a process of preheat, heating, and cooling, causing cross-linking of the EVA to form a chemical bond, which hermetically seals the module. We use a robot to ensure accurate movement, high productivity, and to minimize the risk of damage to the cells. The module is fitted with an aluminum frame, and a weatherproof junction box is mounted on the rear to allow external wires to be connected. We now have a fully functional, sealed and weatherproofed module. The new modules undergo extensive electrical, durability and safety tests, enabling Suntech to proudly guarantee its modules for 25 years trouble-free operation in the field. Our PV module testing lab is the first lab in China to be awarded the UL Witness Testing Data Program Certificate. Our 23 dedicated personnel perform a series of tests above and beyond the strictest international standards. Through cooperation with UL, TUV, VDE, IEC, and China's CGC, we are able to perform testing meeting or exceeding IEC standards. The modules are packed in our customized packaging and sent to the warehouse. From start to finish, our production process epitomizes the reason for our remarkable success. An extraordinary commitment to providing a top quality, good value product.